I'm back with another video, and this one is a little bit of parenting kind of stuff. So, sorry for the weird angle. This is the best lighting that I could find right now. So, yeah. But anyways, for those of you who are new to the channel, I'm Kathy. I'm a registered dietitian and yoga teacher and a new mom. And this channel has kind of evolved into me sharing my experiences as a new mom, but also offering some information in terms of nutrition for breastfeeding moms or moms with young kids. Because as I said, I am a dietitian, and I have learned a lot about those things in the last couple of years, and so I thought I'd share some of my information with you. That being said, now that I am 9 weeks postpartum, soon to be 10 weeks actually, I wanted to share one of the kind of things that came into my mind. Sorry, my baby's swinging over here, and she's just kind of being funny right now. I wanted to share one of the things that I wish I would have known before having my baby. So one of the things that everyone told me and what I saw across in like tons of blogs and everything was the importance of having freezer meals ready to go for once your baby comes. And because of the way that my husband and I typically eat, I didn't think it was going to be a big deal. We have rice and beans or pasta or tofu, tempeh, those kind of things. Like, we eat a really simple diet. And I didn't think that we would really need all that much preparation in advance. Now, granted, I have typically done all of the cooking for us, and that is one thing that has drastically changed, that is just now slowly starting to get back to normal. So that is the first thing that I want to share with you, is my experience in that my husband has not a lot of experience cooking, and I have had to teach him while caring for a newborn. But also our meals have become even more simple than before. And it's a thing that I'm just getting used to. And I know it's not forever, because, you know, once she's not a newborn anymore and starts to be able to play with toys and spend time in that way. So with that being said, I wanted to talk about meal prep. And that comes to my second point, is definitely prep meals ahead of time. And if you are so lucky to have a partner and have a partner who gets a paternity leave, don't use up all of your freezer meals during that time. That is one thing that we did, because again, my husband doesn't cook a lot, and so we made food ahead of time and we ate that during his 2 weeks that he got to be with us once she was born. Once he went back to work, even though he's still at home, it's been a struggle. And so now we've resorted to cooking bulk batches on the weekends, or just cooking extra food in general, because sometimes he has to work through lunch, and you know, our daughter is usually eating during that time, so I can't get up to go make anything, and it's just gone into, we eat lots of sandwiches, leftovers, and just kind of open a can of something and eat it. So definitely pack freezer meals, and don't eat them while you have support. Pick the times that you don't have a support person with you to eat your freezer meals. And also, number 3 is to ask for help in terms of food prep or food delivery. I know it's a little bit difficult during quarantine in this time of coronavirus, but if you can, ask for help, or if someone offers to start up a meal train for you, take it. It's worth it, because having those meals on hand and ready for you to go, whether or not you're breastfeeding, is going to be a lifesaver, because you're going to be hungry. Your baby's going to need you right when you get famished, and it's just way easier to have something that you can either heat up in the microwave or just eat cold, because the most important thing is that you and your baby and the rest of your family are fed. So that is my tips for now. My baby's getting fussy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Hey guys, I am here with another video.